Friends, assalamu alaikum to all of you. Welcome back to the lesson with Sajjad Hussain Narejo. Today in this lesson I am going to talk about the prepositions. You know that the preposition is that part of a speech in which you get confused in everyday life English usage, and you know that in every exam or in every job in English section from most of the parts of a speech a preposition is given the more importance, and the most questions are asked from the prepositions from the examples. So today I am going to talk about the preposition in this lecture. So let's start with the lesson. So first of all, I am going to tell you that what is preposition. Preposition is a word which shows the relationship of the noun or pronoun or the verb plus noun, adjective plus noun, or any other parts of speech. You can say the preposition is a relating word, just like in which words, in which parts of speech preposition can show relationship. I am going to tell you. So first of all, I have written that preposition can show the relationship between the noun and the noun, verb and the noun, adjective and the noun, verb and the pronoun. So I am going to explain all of these structures through the examples. So you will see that in the first example, Aslam is in his car. You will see that here car is a noun and Aslam is a noun. Both of these are nouns, and here the preposition is showing relationship between two nouns. Which nouns? Car and Aslam. So here in this example, preposition shows the relationship between noun and the noun. And in the second example, I am going to tell you that he walked off the stage. Here you will see that here are the verb and the noun, and the preposition is showing the relationship between the verb and the noun. Here preposition is off, and here walk is a verb and stage is a noun. So it shows the relationship between verb and the noun. And after that you will see that adjective plus noun, and preposition shows the relationship between adjective and noun. How it shows the relationship, I am going to explain it through example. Ahmad is good at physics. You will see that here preposition is at, and before that adjective is given good, and after that in last you have been given noun. And here in this example, preposition is showing the relationship between adjective and the noun. And in the last example you will see that preposition shows the relationship between verb and the noun. So here you will see that verb and pronoun, and in this example you will see that shout is a verb and me is a pronoun. So you can use the pronoun instead of using the noun. So you have seen that preposition shows the relationship between these parts of speech, and it can show the relationship between other parts of speech because preposition is a relating word. Now I am going to explain those words which have the same meaning in preposition and you get confused in them, and most of students get confused while using them. Just like you can say that by and through both mean same. So I am going to explain these type of words. Here friends, you will see that I have written those prepositions which have the same meaning and they are used for the same purpose, but their usage is different. So I am going to tell you. First of all, I have written by and through. You will see that both of these prepositions give the same meaning, that they are used for the source. I got this letter written by Aslam, so I got this letter. I am showing the source that I have gotten a letter written by Aslam. So I am in this example showing source, and both of these prepositions are used for showing the source. So whenever you want to show the source, you use both of these prepositions by and through. In this example, I have written that both of these prepositions are used for source, but their usage is different. How they are different? By is used for the living things, it means the source from living things, and through is used for non-living things. Whenever you want to show the source through non-living things, you use the preposition through. And this is used for living things and this is used for non-living things. Okay, I am going to explain them. For example, you will see that I knew this newspaper. I knew this news through newspaper. It means I am showing that I knew this news through newspaper. Here I am showing the source, that is newspaper, and you will see that the newspaper is non-living thing. It means neuter gender. So I am using the preposition through. And in the second example, you will see that I knew this news by news reporter. In this example, I am showing the source, that is news reporter, and you will see that I have used here preposition by. I told you that by is used for living things and through is used for non-living. So news reporter is a living thing, so I have used preposition by. And after that I am going to tell you these prepositions above and over. Both of these prepositions are used for higher places. It means something is higher, in a higher place you will use these prepositions, but they are different. They have the difference. There is something different in their usage. I am going to tell you that whenever something is directly over, it means whenever something is covering the surface, you will use the preposition over. You will see that my hand is over the pen. Here you will see that my hand is covering the surface of the pen, so here I am using the preposition over. My hand is over the pen. And whenever something is not covering the surface, you will see that my hand is above my pen. Here is my pen and you will see that my hand is above the pen. So my hand is not directly above the pen, but here I am showing you the higher place. So my hand is higher than my pen. My hand is above my pen, and in this example my hand is over this pen. So these are not used for this meaning and they have some other difference, so I am going to tell you. So in these examples you will see that above can be used to show rank, temperature and the age. How can above show the rank? You can say that he is above me. It means he is higher and rank than me. Whenever you want to show the rank, you will use the above. You can use above. And after that, whenever you want to show the temperature, you can use above. Today the temperature will not go above 0. It means whenever you want to show the temperature, you can also use above. And after that, age, he is above 40 years, and whenever you want to show someone's age, you can use above. Above can be used in these senses. And after that, I have written to and toward. You will know that both of these prepositions are used for the direction, but there is a little difference between them. So friends, here you will see that above can be used for the rank, temperature and age. We can also use above for these structures. Whenever you want to show rank, you will say that he is above me. It means he is higher in rank than me. After that, whenever you want to use above for the temperature, you will use today the temperature will not go above 40 Celsius scale. And you can also use above for the age. You can say that he is above 40 years age. And above can be used for these structures. And after that, I have written to and toward. You will see that both of these prepositions are used for same structure, for same sense. They have only one sense. Whenever you want to show the direction, you can use these prepositions. But there is a difference between among their usage. You will see that he goes to school. Whenever you want to just show the direction, you want to show the exact destination, you can use to. He goes to school. It means here you are showing that his destination is the school and he goes to school. After that, in the second example, you see that he goes towards school, and here is the movement, and you are showing also the direction of school, but you are not showing the exact destination, that where he will go. Maybe he can go somewhere else. So whenever you want to use towards, you will not show the destination, complete destination. You will say just the direction about anything. Just like you have said that he goes towards school. Here you are showing the destination, but here is not exact destination. Here is a simple direction. And in the above example, you will see that he goes to school. Here is also a direction, but you have given the destination, so you are using to. Whenever you want to give the destination, you will use to, and whenever you want to just give the direction, you will use towards in that sense. Now I am going to show you some other prepositions. Friends, here you will see that I have written in and into, on and into. We can use in for the closed things, just like the things which are closed. Just like you can say the in, he is in the class is a closed, he is in his car is a closed. Whenever you want to give the example of something closed, you will use in. And after that, whenever you want to use into, whenever you want to show the movement to the closed thing, just like I have written example that he entered into the class is a closed thing, and you have written here that he entered in the class. Enter the movement. Whenever you want to give the movement into the closed thing, you will use into in this structure. And after that, whenever you want to give an example of just the surface of anything, you will have seen that there are two type of chairs. Some chairs are stool type and some chairs are armchair. There are some chairs which have the arms, and there are some chairs which do not have arms. So whenever you want to give the example of the armchair, you will say that he is sitting in the chair. It means he is sitting in the chair which has arms. And whenever you want to use on with the chairs, you will give an example that he is sitting on the chair. It means the chair is without arms. And whenever you want to give an example of the movement, just like I have written that the ball went onto the road, and here went is the movement, and onto, it means ball was touched with the surface of the road and it was a movement. You will see that I have given this to the lecture, and I am going to repeat these structures. I told you that on is used for the things which has the surface. Just like I am sitting on the chair, it means I am sitting on the chair which has no any arms. But whenever you use in with the chairs, he is sitting in the chair, it means that he is sitting in that chair which has arms. Okay, whenever you will use in with the chair, you will say that the chair has arms, and whenever you will use on with the chair, you will say the chair has no arms. And after that, whenever you want to show the movement, something is touched with surface and there is a movement, you will use onto. You will say that the ball went onto the road. Here went is the movement and ball is touched with the road, so you have used onto. So this was my today's lecture, and I hope you will have understood completely, and inshallah I will bring more lectures for you of these types on the preposition.